What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and you join me on a very, very beautiful special day. Today is Cars and Coffee Houston September, and it is also my 21st birthday. So yay, age is 21. I want all of you in the comment section to buy me a beer. So I'm gonna throw my PayPal at the top of the link in the description. Go ahead, throw me like a $5 or something in there. I'll buy a beer from each and every one of you that donate. The journey begins now for the rest of my life, and it's a big milestone for the YouTube channel, so I'm very, very excited. If you're new to the channel, this is Cars and Coffee Houston. We get to look around at all the awesome cars that come out this morning in around Houston, and then we get to watch them send it at the end. There's a lot of different stuff here, so everyone's gonna have something they like. So without further ado, let's hop into Cars and Coffee Houston and see all the amazing cars that have shown up today. Woo! Check it out, guys. We got Houston, one of Houston's first Pistas. It's red with a black and gray stripe. Let's see if we can get a better look at it. Oh, I love that car so much. Whew, that is mean. We got a lot of stuff here today, so let's pick through, find the really, really cool stuff, and then get to the sends. I know you guys want to see that. Coming over to the roped off section, they got the confirmed cars, I guess, for today. I did not know this Ford GT existed. Now we got two more and a Senna, so check this out. I think this color is called a Riviera Blue. Not 100% sure, but the carbon fiber stripe and the red.
You got my last one.
That is crazy. I didn't know that one was driving around Houston. Then we got kind of regular spec, if you can call one of these a regular spec. Got the white and blue, and then finally the all blue. I believe this one's a carbon series, so it's got the carbon wheels and a couple other carbon options that the normal ones don't really have, but this one is absolutely sick. I like that a lot. So here's the McLaren Senna. Apparently Jordan knows some secret about it, that there's wood somewhere underneath there, but we're gonna find it today. We have a lot of other Sennas to see, so stay tuned for that video. We got Fee right there. Thank you, Fee. This is a really good spec. We saw this guy on the way here, but we lost him on the highway, so all right, on with other cars. So we're gonna get a better look at the rear ends of all these cars, and when I'm talking rear ends, I'm talking about these big old flying buttresses they see right through the car right there. This is brand new Mark II NFGT. I don't know, and maybe new Ford GT, but yeah, that is sick. What do you think about this one?
You missed the dog.
Dogs over cars. Here's the first one of these I've seen at a Houston show. We got the Mark V Supra Launch Edition with the red mirrors. That is so sick. I need one of these for myself. If anybody wants to trade their Mark V Supra for my FRS, hit me up, please. Love this thing. Hopefully we see some modded out ones of these pretty soon, but those are absolutely insane. Check out the wrap on this HELLCAT Red Eye. It's like color shift chrome, green, yellow, red, and blue. In the sun, that thing is crazy. Dang, that is awesome with the halos and everything. We're over here in the Mopar section checking everything out. There's some crazy cars over here, not gonna lie. god, this beast. That is so sick. I'm thinking about doing this color for the FRS. What do you think? That is a mean Charger. And then this thing's pretty sick too. It's a wide body Camaro. That is so cool. All the louvers and everything. I've never seen that before. What?
Puppy.
All right, guys. Now is your favorite time of the show. The reason y'all come watch my videos. The infamous Houston Cars and Coffee sends. We're gonna head to the exit right now. Hopefully catch some burnouts, some donuts maybe, and hopefully also some cop action. So fingers crossed. Let's get checking out the awesome exits of Cars and Coffee Houston. All right, we have made our way to the exit. You can see the smoke is still in the air. No cops means burnouts for days, boys. Let's get this pop. Oh no! Cops ruin Cars and Coffee! Oh, he's gonna get. Oh no! Oh no! He got one! Got him!
Oh, wait, there was no surprise. God damn. Bruno Mustang, that's what's that.
What on earth is that thing? Oh, he's pulling him over.
How? Where?
What? No front plate? Para qué?
Right. Don't pull him over, bud.
Boo!
More lightning. Go for it. Super good. Hey, Ford has. Nardo Gray GT2. Another basic color. I'm away from my school in the winter league. Send it! Send it, brah.
What?
What?
What are you doing, buddy?
Oh no! He's pulling for the Mustang! Oh! Get that wheel.
lurking right there. He's lurking. Who's gonna be the next victim? That's sick. Right in front of the cops, they don't care.
Let it breathe.
Mark IV Supra.
Stop.
Oh, he's busted!
What?
For what?
What?
For what?
What?
You just saw that, he didn't do anything.
Did he have front plates?
What?
He pulled them over.
Boo!
So just like, there's no way they can do a jury trial. Every single that's a stick round.
Jesus Christ. What on earth?
Bro, it's a project.
This thing.
Oh, it's a Lancia.
Oh my god, it's like a NASCAR. What the heck is this, guys? How do you just casually get one of these? I need one of those.
We jump in that truck.
Look at those rims. It's these guys again. Hey, our boys. Oh, they got the Scat Pack. We're running for the thumbnail, boys. I need it. He gunned it and got busted. Crazy rainbow red eye down for the count. Dang. R.I.P. that boy. Hashtag free that boy. Free that boy. He didn't do nothing. When you gotta flex on the cops so you air out in front of them. He was not impressed. LMAO. Oh no, no, the sprinklers are hitting it.
Yeah, I tried to do something.
What a savior.
I tried to do that.
Free that boy. Free that boy.
Alright, so bike cop homie.
Here he comes back with the citation for being too loud.
Ooh, give him a warning. Written warning, please, sir.
Hey, for his troubles, y'all make sure to go follow the boy on Instagram at the Red Eye Barber. Follow him on Instagram. Gotta pay his ticket. Dang. All right, he's airing up, and our boy is out of here. And here goes the Wicked Witch of the West back on his broomstick. Free that boy. What? And just like that, he got somebody else. What? He literally pulled over the red eye, which is still right there, told this BMW to go around him, and pulled him over. I think he's just jealous because his wang's bigger than his. It's the beginning of the month. They don't have to finish their quota yet. Look at that. It's like the race car BMW got busted for doing nothing. Seems to be a theme here at Cars and Coffee Houston. This is y'all's favorite part. I don't know what he's checking. Maybe if his inspection is valid. I do not see an inspection sticker, so that may be the problem.
Which is pretty
I think we found out what the problem was. It appears that he does not have a back plate, which will do it for you. That sucks. Other than that, I think he was pretty clean, but no back plate is a pretty serious offense here in Houston. I think he got off. Not exactly sure, but it is way too hot out here, and we have to get to Austin. So let's see what happens. Oh, it's Rudy!
Are you?
He's off. That boy has been freed. And Drew's getting talked to by the officer, so we're headed out of here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. That was absolutely crazy with the cops pulling them over for doing absolutely nothing. The Supra got pulled over, a Mustang got pulled over, the Red Eye got pulled over, and that BMW got pulled over. So, if you guys like the cop action, I know that's why a lot of you guys come to the video. We got plenty of that coming more. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button. Helps the video get pushed out to a lot more of you guys so we can spread the awesome content all around the platform.
Go like, comment, and subscribe.
Listen to Landon. So, with that being said, if you did like the video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.